Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is Rishabh from Ascending Techie, and today we are talking about the best kernel for the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Currently, I'm using Havoc OS version 3.8 based on Android 10, and I decided to try out various kernels. I tried out the default kernel that comes with Havoc OS, then I tried out Darkonah Z, and then I tried out Singh Kernel. I'll leave the link to their Telegram channels in the description below. Let's talk about performance on the Singh kernel. There's 4 things about this kernel that you'll appreciate. First being excellent gaming performance, and second being fast charging. With this, you can get about 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time at least while gaming for the majority of the time, and some YouTube and other apps, which is great. You can even get fast charging with this kernel, which is a big bonus. But what if you are someone who plays less games and uses their device most of the time for regular social media apps and for other non-demanding tasks? Well, Singh kernel gets you the most battery backup as well if used correctly. As you can see here, I got 9 hours and 22 minutes of screen on time with gaming, YouTube and some other apps, and the graph shows that it wasn't charged in between. The last and the most important point is Smartpak. You can get this APK from their Telegram channel and install it. It gives you great control over your hardware, allowing you to overclock for performance and underclock for battery life. It also has controls for charging speed. Also, let the kernel calibrate the battery life by charging your phone to 100% and use it till battery reaches below 5% without charging in between. Run this cycle for 2-3 times. How can you install this kernel? First of all, download the kernel from the Telegram channel. You should back up everything if you want to, just in case. I'm not. Reboot to TWRP. Wipe cache and Dalvik. Then install the zip file. Again wipe cache and Dalvik. And then reboot. You can also go to the About section after your phone reboots and then to Android 10 to check which kernel you are running. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be kind to everyone.